because of the use of this product. Now, this literally brought me to tears. Like, I don't know if you understand what this means, but you got to just look at the numbers at the bottom. There were 2,266 notable epigenetic changes with the use of frankincense oil alone. When they put the complex to the test, there were 46,000 plus changes in epigenetic expression by simply this one product. That is staggering. Staggering. And prepare yourself, because I've heard they've done studies like this on Copaiba, and they're doing more and more and more of this kind of stuff. Staggering, staggering results. Okay. So what does that mean to you and I? The frankincense oil pathway, when it comes to cell differentiation, cardiac regulation, DNA transcription, translation, storage, intra and intercellular signaling, holy cow, those are all radically important. And with the complex, they saw immune system modulation, cellular process and signaling regulation, enhanced cellular integrity, and neuroprotection in addition. Now, with AI, Justin was telling me it could normally take doTERRA 3 years to unpack this science. 46,000 epigenetic occurrences, like that's going to take forever to measure, but thank goodness for AI. It's going to help them out, and they're going to be able to break that down and bring amazing stuff to us. So right here, we're talking about cell pathways. Okay, so that was another place we went with Dr. Hill. Brannick Riggs has taken us there. Jared's taken us there. This is a repeated conversation that as we focus on our foundational oils as this additional beautiful offering and partnership with, one, our foundational wellness products, the oils, as well as targeted solutions, that this is a huge area of conversation. And so Dr. Hill spoke to us about how essential oil chemistry is very easily recognized in the body, and it puts it to work. These chemical messengers have a way of getting through and cutting through the mess to get directly to our cells. And the chemistry, because of the lipophilic nature, is able to get inside the cell and have tremendous impact. So when you pair that with nutrition, you're driving a message with the actual goods to get it done. So kind of think of like the Latin word matter and pater. And it's M-A-T-E-R, matter, you get that. And pater, but it's mother, father. It literally means mother, father, matter, pattern, right? That father brings pattern and mother energy brings matter, just like making a baby. And so when you put our oils that have patterns, chemical patterns to them, and you partner it with nutrition, you are directing that amazing matter with instruction to places in the body. So what if I wanted to target the uterus? Well, what oil would I put my nutrition with? What if I wanted to target the ovaries? What if I wanted to target the prostate? What if I wanted to target breast tissue? What if I wanted to target the brain? Y'all know, you're thinking right now, oh, I would use this oil. I would use this oil. So then you're driving your nutrition to the body. And these cell pathways are how the cells communicate with each other and their environment, and essential oils turn on those pathways. So in conclusion, the sciencey people said, where's the science? Here's where you can find it. And so take a quick screenshot because I need to keep going.